Hi there. So this is my website and anyone can add their details and then download my ebook like this. This is a sample ebook that I made quickly just to show you the type of design that you can create using Canva in just minutes. They have a whole bunch of templates like this that make it very easy to make any ebook you want. So today I'll show you how to create any type of ebook you want and then how to set up a form like this so that your visitors can add their email and download the ebooks. But before that, you should know that adding more plugins and more features slows down your site over time, and then your visitors will start getting stuck at loading screens like this, which will lose you a lot of traffic and money. So first, let's just take a minute. Let us go open Google PageSpeed and add your website URL to it. And if you get a score less than 90 like this, then your site is already too slow and we need to fix this before we do anything else. Now there's a few speed plugins in the market, but they're either paid or they have hundreds of settings, which makes my head roll. So my team made our very own speed plugin called Airlift, which is completely free. Unlike me, they've built successful plugins before, so you can trust that they know their stuff. So after installing Airlift, you just need to add your site and then it starts doing everything needed to make your site up to 3 times faster so that you can get a 90 plus score like you can see here. There's no hidden conditions here. You can keep it activated for free and keep your site fast. So click the link in description and you can use it first. Then move on to the next step. Alright, next let's go to Canva, sign in, and then in this search bar, let's find a good ebook template. So I'll type in an ebook and it gives me a bunch of options here. So let's click this. Awesome. Now my book is about coffee, so let me see what I can get from that. This one looks good. It's for poems, but I can customize it of course later on. So I'll go ahead and click it. A pop-up opens with the template and more templates with similar styles beneath it. I'm happy with this one, so I'll click on this button on the right. And this page opens where we can now start editing it. So first I'll click the picture and delete it using this trash can option. Now I need a picture that has something to do with coffee. So on the left sidebar, I'll select elements and then type coffee. Now it's showing me some graphics, photos, videos and other things. I'll click graphics. Most are premium, but there's a lot of free ones here too. So I like this style, but I want something different. So let me first click it. So let's click see all. And here there's a lot more options. So I like this one. So I'll click it and it will load on my ebook. Now I'll adjust it a little and then edit the title and author. Now to make it more unique, I can do something like this. Click elements in the sidebar, search for coffee beans. I like this one, so I'll select it and then stretch it across. But now it covers everything. So let me right click it, go to layers. I'll select send to back. Looks pretty good. Now I can mess around with graphics to make this as unique as I want. But let's click add page for now. It'll give us a page with the same color. Now here we'll build a template for all the other pages. So I want my logo and page number here. So on the sidebar, I'll click uploads. Now I can upload our logo using this button. So I'll select it. Awesome, now it's on my page. Now I'll adjust the size and position a little bit. Now let's add the page number. Here I'll click text and the first option is add a text box. So I'll put the number 1 and then move it here. Now this font is kind of fine, but I can also change it using this option. Alright, now my template is set and I want to duplicate this page. So right above this are a whole bunch of options. This one creates a copy. So mine is going to be a small book of about 5-6 pages. So let me just click it 5 times. Then just go and edit the page numbers. Alright, now it's time to add text to each one of these pages. So we can make a text box like this and type it. I can also upload a PDF to Canva. So just open the home page, select upload. Now here I can drop my files. I'll scroll down and under recent designs, I'll see the PDF that I've uploaded. I'll click it and I can see Canva has already formatted it to fit the page. Now we're going to use this as a base to copy our content. So let me copy the first text box, go back to my template. Now I'll paste it here. I have to make a little bit adjustment here like this. Now it fits perfectly, but I want a different font. So I'll use the options on the top left. Let's go with Amsterdam 3. Now I'll also adjust the line and word spacing a bit. Alright, there's a bunch of empty space, so let me add something cool. Use the sidebar, click elements and type coffee. Now I'll go down to frames. I like this coffee bean shaped one, so let me select it and adjust the size of my page. Now I'll click photos and pick one to drag here. Looks pretty good, right? Alright, let me do this to the second page now. I'll just copy the text box, then go to my ebook template and paste it. Now instead of changing everything like before, I'll just go to the first page, right click the text box and select copy style. Now I'll go back to my new text and right click the text box. That's it, it's formatted. Now I just need to do some placement corrections here. Now just like this, we can go about editing our ebook page by page till I get something like this. Then to download that, I'll click on the share button on the top right. Then download. Now I'll change the file type to PDF, hit the download button. And that's it. Our ebook is done now, and it's time to download the ebook and add it to a website as a downloadable link. This will take just 2 minutes, so let me show you how. First, we'll go to our dashboard. On the left sidebar, hover the mouse over media and click add new media file. Now I can drag and drop my file here and it will upload automatically. Now it shows me the option to copy the URL to the file. I'll click it. I can also see it under library and click to open it, then copy the URL. Now from the sidebar, we'll click pages. I'll hover over the page I want to insert the link into and then click edit with Elementor. This opens up my page in Elementor. Now let's scroll down. Now I want to insert my form, so let me add a block with one first. I'll click this starter template logo and search for a block that suits my need. So this one is perfect. I'll click it and then click import block. Now it's on my page and the form area asks me to make a form. So let me click it and a pop-up is going to open with my form builder. Then I'll click create blank form. Now I'll select this to enter the text. I'll click the email field and then toggle this switch to make it required. Now I'll click the submit button to edit it. I'll rename it here, then change the submit text to download ebook. Now I'll edit the processing field from sending to downloading and click confirmations on the left sidebar. Then change the confirmation type from a message to go to URL. Then I'll paste my link in the URL field. Click save. That's it. My form is here on my page. Let's test it out. I'll use this I button. Now, when I click the download ebook button, it says that an email is required. So let me enter an email. Now I click the button and it opens my ebook. And here there's a download option on the top right. Now let's go back to the previous tab and click update. Also, don't miss this video where I use a new free speed plugin that can triple your site speed, which will really boost your SEO and user experience. So click here and I'll see you there.